Hi friends, today I want to talk about classification of neurons according to the processes. How many processes are there? There are four processes, main types of neurons: multipolar neuron, bipolar neuron, pseudo-unipolar neuron, and unipolar neuron. The multi-unipolar neurons, you can see like different poles. You well, multi mean many, and pole mean poles, multipoles. You can see this is as well pole. This one, two, three. These all are poles. So multipoles, multipolar neurons. The neuron which have multipoles, yani many poles. So many poles are there. So location is in all motor and intentional neurons in man are polar neuron. Second is bipolar neuron. It's like two pole. One pole is this and one is one and two. There are two poles of bipolar neuron, and location is in retina, ganglia of cranial nerve and olfactory mucosa. The third one is pseudo-unipolar. Pseudo mean lie, uni mean one, and polar mean pole. Mean pseudo-unipolar. It means you can see this is from here is it looks like one. It first is one, and after that becomes two bipole. So this is therefore it's called pseudo-unipolar. So it's a lie unipolar. Mean first is one pole, and when you go further it becomes two pole, and its location is in cranial nerve. In cranial nerve is in dorsal root ganglia and sensory ganglia. And the fourth one is unipolar. You can see this it has only one pole. The nerve which has only one pole is called unipolar neuron. Location is nucleus of CN5, mean trigeminal. Trigeminal nerve is fifth nerve of the 12 cranial nerve, and also in fetal life. In fetal life, the unipolar is found, and as well in nucleus of trigeminal nerve. Now going toward the classification of neuron according to the length of axon. Mean how the axon have length. Golgi type 1. In Golgi type 1, this is the suppose this is neuron and this is axon. We talk about Golgi type 1. In this the axon is long. In this the axon is long, and the dendroids are short, and is present and it's present in pyramidal cells in cerebellar cortex and in Purkinje cells in cerebellum. Cerebral cortex and cerebellum. In pyramidal cells of cerebral cortex and the Purkinje cells in cerebellum, and as well in the spinal cord it is found. So the second type is Golgi type 2 is in Golgi type 2, and the axon is short. The axon is short, like suppose look at the first axon. It was suppose it was long, and the axon of Golgi type 2 will be like half from here to this side. So its location is, it's also make synapse with the nearby neurons. Suppose here is another neuron, it makes synapse with that. In this way he makes synapse with other neuron, and its location is in cerebellar cortex and in cerebellum cortex. These two sides its location is. And mature neuron cannot be divided further, and location of mature neuron is in olfactory region and hippocampus region. This is the area of mature neuron. If anyone can ask you, if anyone asks you where mature neuron can be found, it can be found in olfactory region as well in hippocampus. And one important note is that is this brain tumor mostly arise from neuroglial cells, mean the cells which are present in the nervous system. From there most of the brain tumor arise tumor, then convert into cancer. So this was the topic. If you enjoyed the topic, uh, like, comment and share. Thanks very much for watching.